want to be careful, and it does get you a lot, trust me. Especially when you're seeing those early signs of that alveolar pattern and you're seeing those cranial lobes being affected, and it looks like it's circumscribing something. You guys remember that? It looks like Spider-Man coming up. Like somebody's doing this. Y'all not with me?
I'm imagining. I'm putting my imagination down. Right.
All right. You just got to be mindful of your normal anatomy in that situation. So what you're going to do, and this is a trick that Dr. Perry taught me, is you sometimes just put your hand over that area and see does it make sense. All right? So sometimes you have to block what you think is helping you kind of circumscribe that area. Block that and see how it continues on. Okay, so that spine of that scapula wasn't there. This would just look like one lung lobe just coming down. Okay? But instead we have some differences, or what we think is differences, in this lucency that makes it seem like there's a lucency here, and then there's another segment here, and then there's another segment here. But that's because we have these bony structures making it seem like it's changing our path. Okay? So the more you see it, you're going to look in these areas and you're going to be able to recognize now, okay? All right. So cool. So if we were to use the clock analogy on this, where are you seeing your bulges? What times?
2 and 2 to 3. 10.
2 to what?
2 to 3. 5.
Look at your clock up front. So if you would imagine the clock up there, where are the bulges? If I had somebody start us off at 2 and another
There's also
person,
definitely one at 10.
somebody said around 10 o'clock.
I agree. Put your hands on the wheelchair. 9 to 10.
Any other guesses? You guys want to get up and touch and see and look?
Basically.
No?
Yeah, from 10 to 2.
All right. On this baby.
You messed up.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question. On 5, that opacity right there, is it the cardio
Come show me on the other TV. Whichever one.
Well, I think it is. But I can't see it.
That's, I think it's just exposure. So this film was really light and I had to play with it. So what you're seeing in this region are your caudal vessels. You're seeing the costochondral junctions kind of coming in right here. Everybody see that? That's what she's pointing to in this region. So you have some vessels that kind of live in this area. Then you have these costochondral junctions, which is mineralized. And so it makes it seem really bright. And then this image, I had to kind of play with in order to put in this PowerPoint. Answer your question? Okay. So bulges should have been seen here. You guys see this protruding outward? And this one protruding outward. If you had to take a guess, which chambers or which part of the heart is that? Yes, so you have biatrial enlargement. What do you guys know about biatrial enlargement, especially if I told you this was a cat? Huh? It has to do with some fluorine deficiency. That is associated with medicine, but it's not the main part of it. So biatrial enlargement in a cat.
Cardio, yeah. That's dilated. HCM.
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 For dogs.
Yeah, hypertrophic
Remember,
cardiomyopathy.
D for dog. HCM is dominant. And dilated cardiomyopathy versus hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, which is usually in a cat. Now what we're seeing is that sometimes they can just have left atrial enlargement or right atrial enlargement. Not all the time is it both at the same time. Typically when we do see these babies, they have progressed to biatrial enlargement. So this is that Valentine heart. These are all terms that you'll get used to and you'll hear again and again and again. All right, so now you guys are all gonna get up and you guys are all gonna have a piece of paper and we're gonna calculate our vertebral heart score. You Okay. Fair enough. Because I'm looking at this handsome face right here. This word. Y'all can Sarah. All right. You guys have your paper. So somebody go up there and get tick marks. I told y'all y'all was gonna be getting up today.
Start at T4.
No, you don't start it. So you gotta get your tick marks first.
No. For taking more scores? You're looking up instructions on how to do it? Okay. I'm on VIN for table heart size about it.
Just show us how. We can meet it all.
Aaron, come here. So I don't want to give them the wrong.
Can you teach us how to do it? Okay, so you got your long and short axis. So your long axis is from the carina to the apex.
Okay.
So line it up.
You counted it off.
Not yet. So you get a measurement like the carina to the apex. Right here. No, you just need to take it. And then you do your wide axis, so the widest part of the heart.
And then
Yeah. Alright, so about there. Okay. And then you start at T4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you line it up with T4, and then you count how many ribs are in those distances. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I'm still figuring it out. I'm like listening and trying to do it on my own.
Basically,
I just like wasn't sure because I knew T4 was
Yes, the width.
Then I was like,
That's the length
the short axis
axis. Yeah.
is the widest part of the heart.
So it's from T4.
No, T4 is when you count.
Okay.
So it's your widest axis, and then your long axis. So your widest part of the heart, right?
Yes.
And then your long axis is from your carina to your apex.
Right.
And then, so once you have those measurements, then you line those measurements up with T4, and then you count to the ribs that those lengths
Oh,
take.
okay.
So for this one, I got to do like
Just the width stop at the caudal vena
Oh,
cava.
y'all shaking that screen.
Does the width stop at the caudal vena cava?
The width stops at the widest point of the heart.
So why was she mentioning our border as the caudal vena cava at one time?
The long axis, the measurement line at the level of the caudal vena
Right. Yes. Got it.
don't forget, like,
Thank you guys.
remember, like, the spaces of each other. The spaces are a little bigger just because, remember, If you want to count, you go to T4 to do the whole measurement for the long axis. You start at the carina and at the apex. For the width, you start, you know, and then you end at the ribs.
But even the ones that are on the other side?
No.
Okay. That's what?
What? How'd you get 10 then?
I got 9.
Close.
That's close. I'm not
You counted 5. No, I counted 5 in a
No, you count the ribs. I feel like I need to be told things a whole bunch of times for me to get it.
Tell it to be as big as
I swear, man, that was a tail. I did not know that was. I still understand what she said it was. She said it was the mediastinum and the things were superimposed on it.
Oh, see, that's why I was like, why is she counting twice? I counted over it. That's why. Okay.
No, you got it now with your long axis.
What do you take the average?
No, you can't.
Imani, you guys are famous.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you guys are just famous.
Sorry.
No, teach. Continue to teach and talk. It's a learning moment. Aaron, for the viewers at home, do you want to demonstrate how it's done?
Huh?
For the viewers at home, do you want to demonstrate how it's done?
I'm not. You know, I hate my voice.
You're free to.
I hate the sound of my voice.
Listen, Aaron, how bad could you hate your voice if you did talk?
Okay, come on. You gonna bring the camera up here?
No, it's fine where it is. Like, just point on the edges. There's so many people. You're so great at this. Yes. What are our landmarks?
Your landmarks are
For our long.
for your long axis. You're going to go from the carina to the apex of the heart.
I see.
So the carina
Got it.
to the apex of the heart,
That's true.
and you make a mark.
Make that mark.
And then you're going to do perpendicular to the collar and the cable gentlemen. You're going to take the widest portion. And then
Yeah.
you
Right
make a
around
mark.
there.
Right? So then you find the fourth rib,
1, 2, 3, 4.
line it up, and then you count from
My
mark
goodness. 1, 2, 3.
You count the space of the ribs. 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5-inch, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, again another 5. So it's gonna be like around 10.
Yeah, so we said around like 5 or 6, depending on what you count. So I don't really know if we count the
Make sure you don't count the ribs on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all got 5.
Yeah, because it all depends on what you count. Like, what?
But did you count both axes? And you only got 5?
No, I'm saying depending on when you count.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying? Because
Yeah.
at first we started counting the spaces, and then we counted the ribs. So that's where we got that difference. So that's why I was asking like, how you count, because I don't know this whole sheet thing. I just look at this.
Yeah, on Wednesday. I wonder how it's going to be.
Like what I learned was you take a camera and you actually measure it. And then
That is very true.
and then you can count
Shit. I need to listen to the lectures and review that shit on my phone before I feel confident enough to talk to you about anything. Oh, man. I don't even know how much stuff I have for her. I know I have pulmonary patterns. So I know from pulmonary patterns to today, I know I have. I don't know what we did before that.
Didn't we do
Non-cardiovascular thorax. I got a little bit of that.
basic medicine? I have upper respiratory tract, but I only have part 3. Thorax,
Yeah, so I did some like this.
you have 6 pulmonary categories.
Yes.
And then the cardiovascular 2, 1, 2, and 3.
Right.
That's it.
Yeah, because Because I know I didn't record at the beginning of the record, so what I have here,
This lecture,
Did you pay yourself?
did you record that? You
the
recorded
first one, and then this is the part 2, I guess. It's a lot for this class. I need a whole weekend to get my shit together for this class, but it's not like I have a whole weekend because we're always having another test for another class.
We don't know when this test is. So this test could be on the 18th or it could be on the
I just need one weekend, a solid weekend where I can study for it. I hate that.
And then send me the email. So that your
My guess is they're going to try and put it
Wait, a space? What? Where?
I said in the week of the 15th. They're probably
It keeps getting pushed back to tomorrow. Like,
you don't know yet.
I need it. Because I thought that it was like,
And it's midterm too, so it wouldn't be
no problem. But they didn't
But if they put it any other time, you have tests.
take care of it. Send me.
All right.
That's all I need.
Everybody got a number?
the 31st.
Everybody got close to a number?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, besides people that are probably to look.
Once you have your numbers, go ahead and have a seat.
I want to touch you so much because you look comfortable. Yes, I mean it. I mean it. Yes. What is it? I'm going to make you like it.
I didn't make it.
You ever made it?
Yes. I made a blanket back home.
I got to take a look at it.
Well, it's home. I took 2 pieces of stone and I did a little side blanket. And that's my
I need to.
It's so cute.
All right. So, long axis. Started from the carina and went down to the apex. About right there.
Yep.
Okay. Let's make that a little thicker there. Okay. And then I'm gonna copy that. Paste that. And I'm gonna take that. And I'm gonna rotate that. Maybe. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Yeah, click on it.
It's gonna shorten it.
Right.
If
Oh.
it needs.
It should be a rotate button.
Yeah, it's not there. Either is there.
Go to right. That's false.
Oh my god.
That is way too much.
Stop.
Go to format. It should tell you the length of it.
Oh, it has to.
No, the line was too long.
Does this dog have 2 microchips?
It probably does. A lot of times these babies will get microchipped twice, not realizing maybe the scanner at that hospital didn't pick it up or kind of faded out or they didn't find it, take enough time to find it. So sometimes you'll see that they have 2 microchips. Oh, look at that, there's a line there. Oh, what does that mean? Nothing about that looks the same, does it?
I really do. I love it.
Click on that. Like I don't.
Yeah, when I rotate it, it should be opposite.
So it should be 0.77.
Well, that's,
So like on the length of the other one, it should be 0.77. So you should match it. Yeah. No. Yeah. Right there.
on this one?
Yeah. That should be 0.77.
Nope.
Nope.
The other one is 0. This one is 0.77.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it
This
should
one
be.
should be
I
1.77.
bake when I'm stressed out.
Yeah. That's what I meant.
Are you fine?
Like my chocolate
There you go.
strawberries.
And I shortened it again. Focus on the middle.
You want to see the best picture of me inside? What in the world?
But I have to bring it other end down. Oh well, y'all can count it. Alright. So, long axis. You guys should have measured something like that. You start at the T4, cranial margin of T4. Do I need to draw that line? So if this is T4, it's from here to here. Yeah, why is that one out so short?
This is when I was cute. When my hair is long. I hate you. When I heard the body. When I hit my body.
Alright, so if that's the start of T4, you went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and about shy of 6. Did everybody get that for the long axis? Somebody got 5? Anybody get 5.5? Did anybody get 6? Okay, so you guys are on the right start. Okay, so then for our short axis, we're going to measure from the caudal vena cava, from this ventral margin as it perpendicular or intersects with the long axis.
I just want to
Let's give it a different color. Maybe a yellow. Alright, so that's 0.7 and copy and paste. Oh wait, if I do it like this, it won't change it. Ha ha ha. Alright, starting from here. Okay, so we go 1, 2.